Okay, so I caught that little Batman plane again. I want you guys to see this. And I'm hoping this should get it for you right here. It comes out and it what do you call it? Rotates like an air right there, like an airplane maneuver. It rolls. That's what I want to call it. Right there. You see that? Oh, yeah, I just passed it. Sorry. Let me try that again. Right there. Okay, that's as good as I can, get it. But you can see that he's rolling, and that's like an airplane looking, short bat wing kind of a thing. Like I used to have an airplane that was a bat wing, like the Batman airplane, and that's what I want to say it looks like, similar to that, but way smaller, and somehow like see-through, right? But really cool. Let me do that one more time here. Right there. And it's lit up, so I don't know. You tell me what you think. All right. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Thanks, guys.